Welcome back. Vegetarian is easy and delicious.
The tender shoots have a crisp texture and a refreshing, slightly sweet flavor that many people enjoy. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber, they are highly nutritious. Whether stir-fried, tossed in salads, or added to soups, bean sprouts bring a unique taste and health benefits to dishes. Stir-fried bean sprouts with vegetarian anchovies are crispy and flavorful, with the savory umami of the fish complementing the fresh crunch of the sprouts. Absolutely delicious. Easy to make, give this tasty and nutritious dish a try today. Ingredient: pea sprouts, ginger, vegan anchovies. Chopped ginger. Ginger stir-fried pea shoots bring warmth and zest, perfect for cold days and packed with health benefits. Ginger's antioxidants pair perfectly with tender pea shoots, making a tasty and nourishing dish. Rinse pea shoots by trimming roots, soaking in water for 3 minutes, then gently swishing to remove dirt. Air fry vegetarian anchovies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Flip halfway for an irresistibly crispy texture. Pro tip: spread in single layer for even crispiness. Vegetarian anchovies are plant-based snacks made from soy protein or mushroom stems, replicating the crispy texture and umami taste of dried fish.
Let's start cooking.
Stir-fry over medium heat until ginger turns golden, releasing aroma without burning. Sauteing minced ginger releases its aromatic pungency, enhancing dishes by removing odors and boosting umami. Heat-activated ginger ale improves circulation and warmth, making it perfect for seafood and greens. Add the vegetarian anchovies to the wok, reserving a handful for garnishing later. Add the pea shoots once condiments is fragrant. Stir-fry bean sprouts over high heat for 30 to 60 seconds until leaves wilt slightly while stems remain crisp tender. Overcooking causes sogginess. Stop when glossy green as residual heat finishes cooking perfectly. Seasoning salt to taste. Done. Super easy, right? Garnish with vegan anchovies. With just 3 steps: saute ginger, stir-fry shoots, top with crispy anchovies. Even beginners can master this restaurant-worthy dish. The vibrant crunch of wok-fried pea shoots pairs perfectly with the salty crispness of vegetarian anchovies for a satisfying texture symphony. Ready in 5 minutes with 0 cooking skills, packed with calcium, fiber and umami that'll win over picky eaters and vegetarians alike. Pro tip: add anchovies twice cooked for flavor, sprinkled fresh for crunch.
Are bean sprouts good for seniors?
Pea shoots are calcium-rich with vitamin K, combating osteoporosis and maintaining bone density for seniors. Its gentle fiber aids digestion, relieving constipation without burdening sensitive stomachs. High folate content supports heart health and cognitive function by regulating homocysteine levels. Low glycemic yet nutrient-dense, ideal for elderly with diabetes or weight management needs. Tender leaves require minimal chewing, while plant-based proteins are easily absorbed by aging bodies. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.